Do you have an unsightly concrete crack that you need patched fast? Sika makes the highest quality concrete patches I've ever used. Polyurethane is what you want to look for on the label. Polyurethane is an incredible concrete patch that will last for decades. Sika makes the highest quality polyurethane concrete sealants on the planet. Fun fact, one of the manufacturing plants is just 30 minutes away from here. Okay, when comparing polyurethane sealants and picking the correct one for your repair, the self-leveling sealant is only to be used on flat areas, and the concrete fix polyurethane is to be used on flat or vertical surfaces. Both concrete patches are incredibly waterproof and will cure quickly. Both are very elastic and can fill gaps in excess of 1 inch. Both can be applied during wet conditions. Both are paintable. Both can be used even with expansion gaps as they will stay flexible. Polyurethane really is an incredible sealant. Now this crack here is near the front porch. I'm gonna temporarily move the base plate away from us so we can work. Okay, now when you expose your crack, you definitely want to start by cleaning out the conditions. So compressed air works really good for that. Okay, now if the gap you're filling is more than approximately 3/4 or a ½ inch, you definitely want to put some type of a filler in there first. Without a filler, your caulk might go all the way to China. So a filler or even backer rod is simply a foam product that you're going to use to wedge down in there. It can really be almost anything. I've seen people even use cut up pool noodles, which is just a foam product. Okay, so all you're doing with either backer rod or any kind of a foam product is you're just stopping that caulk polyurethane from dripping so down deep that you're just wasting product. Now remember, the self-leveling polyurethane is rated only for flat surfaces. So because my repair is settled on one side, it's lower, if I was to pour the self-leveling in there, it would drain down and it would only fill this gap. I want to apply it vertically and seal everything up. So no self-leveling polyurethane unless it's flat. That's the time, if it's not flat, to pick the concrete polyurethane. It's rated for horizontal and vertical surfaces. And then here's our vertical surface in the front of the porch. So you literally cut the tip. Now the tip is cone shaped, so you can cut higher up if you want wide, or lower if you want narrow. I'll probably do somewhere in the middle. Cutting at an angle is kind of nice because you can shape it the way you want. And then on your caulk gun, you're going to have the sharp point. If you don't know what the sharp point is for, it's for breaking the inner seal of your caulk tube. If you see the product on the tip, you've done it correctly. Pull it back by releasing, drop the product in, and prepare to apply. So I have a friend that does concrete work, and he also does radon repairs. And so he drills through holes and fills a lot of concrete holes and drill marks. And he says that polyurethane is the best product for patching concrete. He says it's very forgiving. He said in this application it'll be very sticky and thick, so you can apply it where you want, he said, and it should stay where you apply it. I do have a utility knife with me in case we need to kind of work the product a little bit to get the desired shape and angle I want. I'm really yanking down on that caulk gun, so it is a stiff product. Okay, and then on the vertical, I'm actually going to work from the bottom up, hoping to fill that right at the surface. I'm going to angle it slightly because it has settled. I'm going to put a little more product in there. I think I'm going to come back with my utility knife and work it a little bit. All right, let me get a little more product in here. Pass number 2. I might just have to use a wet finger. I was contemplating using masking tape so I wouldn't get it all over. Okay, I did have a utility knife, but because the surface is so uneven, I think I might end up just doing a wet finger. It's not the prettiest job in the world, but it will absolutely seal out all the damaging effects of rain, sleet, snow. And the beautiful thing is, I talked to my concrete friend, it will withstand movement. So if the concrete is still settling or moving, it will withstand that. So I'm going to screw back in the decorative plate. and call it a day. But yes, self-leveling for the flat surfaces and the concrete patch for the vertical and uneven surfaces. Hey, I know you can do it yourself.